Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Recovery video. Visit their website to learn how the Grizzly Drive drum motor increases the reliability and reduces the cost of ownership of conveyor systems.
Hello again, Kevin Yannick with Pitt & Quarry here. We've got, once again, with us Richard Branch from Dodge Construction Network. Richard, great to see you.
Great to see you, Kevin. Thanks for arranging this.
Absolutely. Well, since we've got you and we're turning the corner on 21 and 22s right down the pike, wanted to kind of get your thoughts on different markets that Dodge is continuously keeping tabs on. Let's start with residential, because the last couple of years, Richard, it's been a very positive story for our readership. Residential's been maybe not fueling them, but a complete surprise maybe coming out of the woodworks a couple of years ago in terms of the boom, maybe induced by the pandemic in some ways. How do you see residential carrying on in 22? Is it going to be more boom or a tapering off of sorts come the new year?
That's a great question. You hit it right on the head that when we think back to it, doesn't seem like that long ago, but we think back to 2020 when the pandemic really hit, that the single family market in particular took off and was on fire through all of 2020 and even into early 2021. The interesting side, though, of that is as 2021 went on, we did start to see the single family market in terms of new construction start to pull back. Obviously, facing the challenges of labor shortages as well as high material prices. The single family market is particularly exposed to high material prices, especially lumber. But what we noticed throughout 2021, though, is as single family started to ease back in terms of its level of growth, multifamily really started to take off, which makes sense because obviously people still need places to live. And if an affordability and shortages are an issue on the single family side, that is a bonus for the multifamily sector. We especially saw multifamily growth in counties just outside of the major urban areas and a lot less focused on high-rise, high-end apartments. It was more in the affordable mid-range, mid-story count kind of project. So moving ahead then to 2022, we expect a similar scenario to play out. We think single family will continue to struggle with material prices as they are. It doesn't mean single family is going to pull back. We do think single family starts grow in 2022, just not at the same torrid pace we've seen the past couple of years. But we do think that multifamily recovery will remain fairly solid throughout the year.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Recovery video. Visit their website to learn how the Grizzly Drive drum motor increases the reliability and reduces the cost of ownership of conveyor systems.